60 days free, no credit card? That's more generous than my last relationship. Look, if you're running a small business and need email marketing that doesn't require you to sell a kidney first, you need to check out Constant Contact's insane 60-day free trial. Click the link in the description below to grab this deal before they come to their senses. So what exactly is Constant Contact? Think of it as your business's personal wingman for email marketing. They've got drag-and-drop editors that are so easy. Even your technologically challenged uncle could use them. We're talking professional templates, automation that works while you sleep, and AI that writes better copy than most humans I know. Here's the beautiful part. 60 days to test everything. No credit card up front, no sneaky charges, no gotcha moments. It's like dating but without the emotional baggage. You get full access to segment your contacts, A/B test your campaigns, and even add SMS marketing if you're feeling fancy. Pricing starts at just $12 a month for their light plan, $35 for standard with automation, or $80 for premium if you want all the bells and whistles. But remember, you've got 2 whole months to figure out if it's worth it. That's enough time to send dozens of campaigns and see real results. Don't sleep on this. Click that link in the description and start your 60-day adventure. Your future customers are waiting.